the heavy lifting that the country has had to do is now behind us. We can only do better. I am going to convene as soon as possible a consultative forum under the auspices of IBEC, and I believe the short-term issue around disbursements should be tackled in a more sustainable manner, so that we don't just release what is outstanding, but we find mechanisms of ensuring that we don't have similar delays in the days ahead. So that is something that I'm seized of. Just the way we have tackled other issues and economic challenges, we're going to tackle the disbursement to counties promptly, and that is what the Constitution requires, that the national government must ensure that counties receive their funds within the required time. Secondly and lastly, I've been asked to comment about the comments I made at the Judges' Conference. And at the Judges' Conference, I said, first and foremost, that conference was not a meeting between the executive and the judiciary. It was a conference for the court to introspect and reflect on how the judiciary